viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video is very stylish 40 plus stylish unique haircuts designs. Gorgeous and stylish you will see in this videos 40 plus stylish attractive pixie haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. You will see in this videos unique haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Lovely viewers, you will see different haircuts designs. So viewers, visit my YouTube channel, check the all videos, check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of modern pixie haircuts designs. So guys, watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Do you have new ideas of unique haircuts designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how is my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish haircuts designs. You will see stylish unique haircuts designs. Marvelous and stylish you will see 40 plus stylish and stylish you will see stylish short pixie haircuts ideas. I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. So watch my full videos and enjoy your unique haircut designs. This video is very attractive and very stylish. So viewers, watch my full videos and enjoy your unique haircut designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch your unique haircuts ideas. Front, back and sided pose unique short pixie haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see attractive haircuts ideas. So I will meet you in next video. So take care.